Welcome to part two. So first of all, I wanted to apologize. I did not have my information straight. So let me go back into developer. Um, so make sure you take note that this number two here this is supposed to be deleted, but I have it two so I can test it. That's first of all. Second of all is I change this to two from one to two, so that at the end of every segment I get the next one because basically if you take 100 points, you're gonna get 100 points, but only gonna get the millimeters between the points. You're gonna get 99 millimeters instead of 100 millimeters. So you have to go 101 to get the 100 millimeters there. And the next time, and the next selection has to go back to that one you already did to include it. So that's how the math works. And the other thing was that you had to add this bit here. That's why I made a video, but I had to delete it because I did not know how that you have to file format. You can't just add the extension. So let's go to Fusion. Let's delete this. Delete. This is how you add in this is how you actually import the splines. So let's go to import. Let me make sure I have it in here. Center, no, everything's empty. Let's actually test the new program. Let's go to the Excel. Have it doing two segments. So let's uncomment this, compile, save, here, run. You're gonna see it jump around. And when it does like 250, it's gonna, oh, I forgot to do the up part. But that's okay. Let me just double check. The when I did mine, I didn't export a third sketch. I just basically measured it manually. And you have to do each one. You can't do multiple. I don't think you can do multiple. One, add-ins, here and the right. Oh, wrong one. See, you see how it's the next in line. Um, let's undo that, but import right there. So that's how you do that. Now let me show you how you just to show you what I mean by the measure. If I take this, it's oh, never mind. If I close, inspect 1 and 2 is 28. Oh, because I think I did 30 millimeters. I'm not sure exactly what the calculation here is. Right now it's 30 millimeters, and I took in the range is what's the 16? Oh, that's the range is 30. I'm not sure if the math is on that. I can't think of it on the spot. But if you go 5, whatever, you'll figure it out if you look at the that's not that important. How do you get the what I showed you in the other video? How do you get that? Just how do you start it? So to start, especially if you have already a twisted piece, right now we're using a straight, so it's much easier. You go to construct, plane along path, select the path, take the middle one, and then hold this arrow guy, pull it all the way to the beginning. And okay, I don't know what these do exactly. I guess if you move it up, the distance changes. Okay, and that's your plane. Now, why do you need a plane? Because if you want to make a sketch, you can only make a sketch on a plane unless you're importing, I guess. if you have sketches, you have our four sketches. Our construction, we have our plane. Origin, we have origin is this doohickey over here. So construct, create sketch. We're going to select this plane to create it on. It flips us around annoyingly, so we can undo that. Let's get us right side up. There. The controls are weird, but whatever. Get used to them. Now, because these are all on the same plane, because they're I'm not sure exactly why it's letting me snap to these points, but whatever. You would make your rails. You can make rails here. Let me just show you how you would make. Sorry about that. Could you lower that, please? Could you lower that, please? About that. I hope that will get sorted out. Let me just say 4 for the heck of it. I can show you the spline, but let me just show you this. Finish. You could do extrude, but I think there's a way to do this. Forget exactly on what the guy did. No, it's not extrude. It's not evolve. It's sweep. That's what it is. Select. We're gonna do guided path. Path guide rail. Profile path is this path, and the guide is any of the other rails. And it goes. It's actually better demonstrated when you have a let me why does that do that? I want to edit the sketch. It's better demonstrated when you're using the middle one and it's a turning, it's a twisting piece. But yeah, that's how you do it. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that because I was missing that part. In the next video, I will actually show you how I how I sketch the spine and the cross tie and the connector points on other bits and bobs. I'm not going to show you everything because I mean you guys got to learn how to use the program and get good, get into not intuitive, but get naturally flowing. And then we'll see how it goes from there. I know next I have to keep working myself on the wheels. Let me close this. Don't save. This is a new piece of nothing. Let me open. Actually, I'm gonna stop here because this is what I want. I finished what I wanted to finish, and yeah, thanks for watching.